Hey everybody, this is Gregory from Dapp University, and today I wanted to announce DappCon, which is a two-day developer conference coming up on July 19th and 20th in Berlin, Germany. It's a non-profit conference organized by Gnosis, where the Ethereum community can gather to learn, build, and think big about topics like decentralized applications, tooling, and scaling on Ethereum. This conference is organized by developers and for developers to include in-depth panel discussions, presentations, and workshops by some of the most prominent industry leaders like Joe Lubin, Ethereum co-founder and founder of Consensus, Loyal Liu, founder of Kyber Network, Julian Zawadzki, founder of Golem, Jared Hope, co-founder of Status, Peter Javan, executive director of the Web3 Foundation, and many more. You can find the agenda on the homepage by clicking the agenda link. There will be a main stage, a side stage, and a build room for projects. They'll kick off the event with an opening speech on July 19th at 10 a.m. You can see the different items on the agenda color-coded by talks, panels, and workshops. And they'll wrap up the conference by announcing the winners, followed by an after-party celebration. You can register for tickets by going to dappcon.io and clicking the registration link. You can purchase your tickets directly on Eventbrite by clicking the tickets link and selecting which ticket you'd like. And when you select your ticket, you can enter the promotional code CryptoSlack to get $100 off. And I'll put that code down in the description of this video below. So be sure to grab your tickets today for DappCon on July 19th and 20th in Berlin. And you can check the links out down in the description below for more information on the conference. And until next time, thanks for watching Dapp University.